Ayan, ito na naman si Axel. Susukat siya ngayon ng pang-UN naman tayo. Pang-UN costume. UN. Poland ito. Ito, susukatin niya. Poland costume. Dito.
Okay.
Ito, susuot na ni Axel yung Poland.
Poland. I love Poland.
You love Poland?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see my own pants. But so small,
Oh,
Papa.
dito na. Dito. Kita.
So small.
Poland costume ito ha. Poland. Pang-UN tayo. Pang-UN.
Look, it's stuck, Papa. It's stuck dito.
Lusot mo.
Yeah, but it's stuck. My hand's stuck. Because it's so heavy.
Dito.
Okay? But it's stuck again. Am I
Oh,
talking?
ayan. Kapugi na ang Poland natin, oh. Saan na yun?
Dito.
Okay, ito na. Ito na.
Okay. Hi! Bye! Hi! Hi, guys! Poland costume!
Poland costume.
Yeah!
Ganda ng costume ni Axel. Poland.
Yep, I'll tell you. We'll take it by myself. Kayo longer.
Ayan, oh. Hindi kita.
Oh, wait,
Baba, ikaw baba.
Okay, what do you want?
Oh, ayan yung costume ni Axel Poland, oh.
No, I don't want to color to go.
Hindi nga makita. Baba. Lumagpas pa yung mga ano ni Axel suot.
Pants.
Yung pants ni Axel, oh. Ano na, parang kita.
Yeah, then I start know it. Look at guys. Maybe
Oh, ayan yung Poland, oh.
see.
Hindi ka makita. Ayan, oh.
Maybe.
Oh, ayan, Poland ito ha. Poland, pang-UN to, pang-UN.
Guys, I just
Pang-UN
walk.
costume, Poland,
Look,
oh.
I just walk, guys.
Wag.
Walking.
Talikod. Kita. Ayan. Ito yung Poland.
Yep.
Poland costume. Ayan. Maganda. Pugi.
Yeah. Look at you.
Oh, yun. Pugi, oh. Paano
Look
magpapugi?
it.
Paano magpapugi ang taga-Poland?
Look it.
Paano mag-beautiful-eyes ang taga-Poland? Beautiful eyes ang taga-Poland. Paano? Ay, ganun. Ayan. Poland costume. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Poland costume pang-UN. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.